The story that frames the project Intercultural Supervision and Research in PhD Studies at University of Aveiro started 2 years ago in the context of a training workshop that I outlined for teachers focused on intercultural competence. In this workshop, I became aware of a recurring concern of teachers: the supervision of doctoral students from the community of Portuguese-speaking countries. Essentially, concerns were related to the management of these students' heterogeneity regarding linguistic and cultural backgrounds, academic pathways, and research cultures. And so I became interested in intercultural supervision and research across languages and cultures in doctoral programs. These main concepts emphasize that languages and cultures play an intrinsic part in supervision and knowledge production and dissemination. In this sense, and within an ethno-relative perspective, intercultural supervision and researching across languages and cultures may be zones of mutual and transformative learning for both students and supervisors. In Portugal, higher education institutions have been receiving an increasing number of doctoral students from the community of Portuguese-speaking countries. This growth is due to some recent policies that foresee special access regimes and scholarship programs for these students. The University of Aveiro is at the top 3 of Portuguese universities where these students have a greater relative weight. Hence, the project aims to intervene at educational and training policies in higher education, proposing recommendations for intercultural supervision and research across languages and cultures in doctoral studies. Its main research objectives are to understand how the supervision of doctoral students from Portuguese-speaking countries can become a zone of intercultural contact, understand how linguistic and cultural diversity is valued as a possibility for the development of supervisors and students, and analyze how scientific knowledge is co-constructed in the situation of researching across languages and cultures. The empirical study comprises two main moments: a pilot study with supervisors and students of the Department of Education and Psychology, and then the extension of the study to other departments. This project undertakes social responsibility. It is a contextualized project since it reflects and responds to a need of the context. It is socially relevant because it meets societal needs for intercultural dialogue and reinforces the role of higher education actors in bridging cultures. And it is a committed project which aims to intervene at educational and research policies so as to promote ecological, plural, and counter-hegemonic perspectives in supervision pedagogies and research practices. Hence, this project may contribute to increase university social responsibility.